Good morning. How's everyone doing today? Weather's not the best, but what can you do? Anyway, I'm off for a breakfast. So, seen someone go here the other day and it looked nice. So I'm gonna go and try it myself. So we are at Hardware. It's on Renshaw Street. Let's go and get some food. Well, first of all, it's very nice in here. Walked in, greeted very nice with the staff. Been given a menu here. You can order manually on a menu, which is there. Or scan your phone and do it on an app. So you can have a look at the menu anyway. Also as well, just got given a bottle of water free of charge, which is a nice little touch. So anyway, yes, we'll have a look at the menu and see you in a minute. So I'm stuck between Hardy's Toolbox £13.25 or the Brekkie Burger 12 quid. Decisions. Back on. So I've ordered the Hardy's Toolbox. On the menu here it says £13, but when I ordered it on the app it was £12.50. So you get sausages, bacon, 2 poached eggs, a mushroom which I haven't got, tomatoes, fine tomatoes, I just got them for to look at them. Hash browns on toast. So just waiting for it. So anyway, this is what the place looks like. Oh yeah, looking on the menu as well, you can add things on, right? And I thought the other day it was expensive for £1.50 to add an egg on your breakfast. In here it's £3.25 to add an egg. That's expensive, but I'm happy with my 2 poached eggs. So say just waiting for it. Well, it's here and looks nice. Let's have a little look. So there's your sausages, poached eggs, your hash browns, your tomatoes, bacon and sourdough toast underneath. So it's a bit of a posh breakfast, isn't it? Just move the camera so that we go in the way. So anyway, sausage. That's quality, yeah. Wow. Wow. Taste the bacon. Not bad. Egg toast. Perfect. So let's have a look at the taste there. So clean. It just tastes no oil or not obviously cooked in water, but you know what I mean, don't you? Is the hash brown. Never seen a hash brown like that before. It's all potato shreddings in it. Wow, wow, wow. And then got your toast. Lovely. What I'm gonna do, you can see. Put the egg on it. Put a slice of bacon on it. Then I'll put some sausage on it. So I'll put it inside that sausage. And then what we'll do, really good. Oh, not a finished dish. Sorry about that. Speak to you in a minute. All done. Ooh. Right, I'll tell you what I think in a minute. So, hardware. What have I got to say about that? That was beautiful. That was really a good quality breakfast. One thing as well, I didn't mind paying £12.50 for that. The only downside to the prices in there is you want an extra item. After looking at like an extra egg for £3.25, an extra item's £3.25. Even a piece of toast, which I think's a bit extortionate. Like I didn't get no mushrooms on mine. They didn't knock £3.25 off me order, did they? No. But anyway, forget about that. Right. Them sausages were proper quality sausages. No fat in them. I'm telling you now. You could just tell it was just all meat. The bacon was good, crispy, but the only downfall to that was where the fat was. That wasn't crispy, so not much to complain really, but that could have been doing a bit crispier. Poached eggs were beautiful. I said they were clean. I meant no oil. I know obviously there's no oil on poached eggs because they're cooked in water, but I mean like you could just you just taste them and they would say there was no like just like fresh. It was just dead nice, if you get what I mean. What else? Them hash brown things, that's just like potato shreddings in it, formed into a ball and then cooked. They were so crispy. They were, do you know what? They were lovely. I wish there was more of them. The toast, sourdough bread, lovely. The tomatoes, I got the tomatoes on there just for a bit of presentation. I didn't eat them. They didn't get no mushrooms. But you know what? I'm gonna score that, right? A 9.5 out of 10. I'm scoring that. If it had a piece of black pudding on it and a little tub of beans, it would have got a 10, right? But apart from that, do I recommend it? Yes. Would I go there again? Yes. £12.50, yeah. I'm happy with that. Hardware, it used to be the Rapid, didn't it? Rapid Hardware, hence the name. So yeah, go and give it a go. Take it easy to that.